Hello there. Before we talk about the British weather, I'd like to take you across to Florida. In fact, the panhandle of Florida, where we've got a Category 4, a major hurricane, which has strengthened through the early hours of Wednesday, imminently making landfall. That'll make it the most powerful hurricane to make landfall in the panhandle of Florida, the state capital, Tallahassee, unfortunately, right in its firing line. And there's going to be significant storm surge, such a low-lying area as well. We could have storm surge, that's waves of 3 to 4 metres high, the height of a double-decker bus. Add on to that torrential rain and very powerful destructive winds, not just for parts of Florida, but into parts of Georgia and Alabama. Back here, it's warm. It's warm, it's sunny for the most part. We've had temperatures reaching 23.5, 24 degrees in a few spots. So one of the warmest October days that we've had for a decade. Now, the southerly wind, which continues through this evening and overnight, will stop the temperatures from falling too low, but bring with them a change. We will start to see some showers drifting northwards, not for all, but there could be the odd sharp burst, even a rumble of thunder. By the time we get to morning, you can see that those showers are pushing their way northwards, not for all. Then we've got this window of drier weather before more rain comes in mid-morning to Northern Ireland, across Wales and southwest at the same time. But here we'll see some sunshine returning later in the day. So for most of us, it's no more than 2 or 3 hours of rain. And actually, it may not reach eastern parts until after dark. So 21, 22, a little down on today, but it's still pleasant enough. Fair breeze blowing, but not as windy as it's going to be as we get to Friday. The precursor, the rain here, this really dominates the picture, doesn't it here? It's Storm Callum, now it's been named. It looks like a real rainmaker, but clearly it's also going to give some autumnal gales up through the Irish Sea to Northern Ireland in the morning and then into Scotland and continuing through the day. But actually there could be some really lively winds across England and Wales as well, a strong and steady southwesterly wind just blowing more and more rain in. That rain could just hang around throughout Friday night and into Saturday as well. So clearly not a great day, not with the rain around, but ahead of it, it could be pleasant enough, quite warm in southern and eastern areas where the rain possibly stays clear of. But you can see even Saturday we've got that rain band stuck across the country, across central areas, and it's Sunday before it finally starts to clear away.